more plausible to you than my angelic brother Stone time. I cut it with that thin air, isn't it?
Even with all that, you were standing right in front of me. I blinked, and you're here.
Do you question?
You know exactly what I'm asking you.
And you don't take that. You know, it's quite fun, this policeman life, isn't it?
No, babe, I just wanted to talk to you. So, before I was a cop, I was an actress. And I was in a movie. And it was this movie. In the movie, I do some very silly things.
Tagal na rin pala to. Hindi rin pala nakalak. Putol na din pala. Yung battery mo parang ano no, medyo lumulobo no. Tumatama na dito siya. Pag kinabit ko to, may parang magpuputi-puti dito. Ganun ba to dati? Ay bagay, hindi na, nakamangat na eh.
Parang yung nangyari kay Dave, no?
Kasi ito, lumalapad na siya dito. Yan yung baka to.
Labo na siya yun.
Lumulobo na. Dapat, kung may dali na malobat, papalta mo na rin yun, sunod. Ito puti eh.
Tubo muna bago ibigay doon. Kupit muna ng onte. Doon sige sa taas. Wala siya doon, pero nasa kwarto siya.
Masyala na.
Uy. Ito pa rin.
Okay.
I thought he's hilarious. Your favorite part is when you ate too much cake and then you puked and it too crazy. That hurts. Can you stop? And I think so.
Ano yun natin? Cellphone ko. Di ba hindi na napipindot? Girls lang. Wala ko yung sinelas ko.
So, the devil did a good deed to me.
Wanted to call it a whatever it means on it.
No, Eddie.
You know, I'm so very used to being confined.
What happened to you, Jimmy?
Pag-duty pa ako na yun.
What happened to Lucifer? What happened when you tried? No, Jimmy, he's not here. He's not here, Jimmy. Jimmy, you're safe here. You're safe. He's just a man, Jimmy.
No, episode 10 na. May episode 13 na.
Ha? Hindi. Yung season 6 pa.
Uy, yun.
Ah,
Wala,
yun.
hindi na naman ko rin yung kahit
Ah,
na.
hindi. Pag nabil naman ng Netflix, pwede naman ng Netflix.
Kasama naman.
Previously on
Hindi,
Lucifer.
maliban sa Friends.
So you're the devil, and you've left her behind to take a vacation in Los Angeles.
Mami, pera ka?
That's so
Ako din.
excuse. I can be very persuasive with people.
I got it. The name, the whole Lucifer
Hindi
thing,
nga.
and desires of the superpower.
Nakakas dyan. Nakakas dyan.
Titan,
Nakakas dyan.
Someone saving your life.
when I see something I can't explain, now I look for answers.
Well, give me the answer, detective. It's not my fault you won't accept it.
What happened with Lucifer?
Wala na pag pinabasa mo dyan.
Manto.
Ganun ba yun?
Wala.
Ano siya?
Tama.
Yung baka pera mo sa dito.
Kasi pag-asa.
Ito, may yung barit na.
Depende sa naman ng...
Ilan yun?
Siyempre, pag nasa 500 plus, mas piso lang.
Dito, bibili siya.
Where's your ex?
Hi, Daddy.
Hey, monster.
Wow, shocker, you're late.
Come on, give me a
Ano
break.
pa siya?
Right, here's the deal. You can have as much naked cuddle time as you desire, but you're going to have to listen to me too.
You like to hide insecurity in people, don't you?
What do you think I'm insecure about?
That you are changing, but that you don't know what's causing the change. Or who.
Gabi ning. It's a vacation. Ah, pala may na eh. Pwede mo na rin gamit ng ano.
Ha?
Pang phone ba ito?
Ano, nadalawain mo pa?
Hindi, parang mabilis.
Nagdaligo mo. Tapos may sabon pa sa lalaki.
So,
Hindi na kasi pala.
Ito yan, oh. Oh. Tinudo mo pa ito, eh. Ang binigin ka talaga.
jump.
Tapos,
Oo.
Go ahead, jump. Now you want to. Trust me, it's a warm welcome.
Won't it hurt?
asa yung
For
susi doon
everyone
natin?
to find out.
Susi.
Sorry. Excuse me.
Man of the hour. Everyone's here to see you. What's the worst that could happen? Come on, have one drink with me.
I can't. I'm sorry. I'm not trying to be a buzzkill. I'm just coming down to meet the party, all right?
How can you decline this ravishing siren's invitation to invite?
Well, if LA's taught me anything, constant rejections do build character.
Sincerely doubt constant rejection's something you ever deal with.
You could learn a thing or two from this guy.
Oh,
Laban sa sidol.
witty, charming, and wise. Have you lost your mind?
Guys na ako dyan,
Do I know you?
Lucifer, morning star.
All right, you're that club owner guy who grants people favors. Yeah, I don't need anything from you.
Oh, I beg to differ, Ty. I have been looking for you all night, and you are in desperate need of my help. Star quarterback, #1 draft pick, yet for some inexplicable reason, a virgin.
Look, man, I got all the haters I need online, all right?
No, I'm not criticizing. I'm fascinated. I mean, do you know how rare you are? A celebrity virgin in Los Angeles, and surrounded by temptation. I mean, you, Ty, are like a four-leaf clover and a unicorn made a baby. Without having sex.
My agent wanted me to throw this party. Yeah, he wants me to loosen up.
He's right. I've met your type before. So desperate to control their lives they forget to enjoy it. So answer me this. If you were to ever let go, what is it you really want to do? Yeah.
I want to skip my morning workout sometimes.
Boring.
Just chill on the couch and watch Master Chef.
This is the fantasy life of a post-menopausal housewife. Come on, Ty. There must be something deeper.
Yeah. I want to get laid so damn bad.
And there it is.
You got no idea how hard it is holding out some parents, man.
Uncomfortably hard, I'm sure.
Ako na bahala dyan. Later na.
Like I was going to with my girl, but we broke up. No. I thought she was going to be the mother of my children.
Well, she wants to be the mother of your children. Come on, Ty, it's the fourth quarter, but you can still win this game. I mean, look at her. Death and taxes are less of a sure thing.
No, I can't.
But you desire her. Why fight it?
Because my mother taught me
Oh,
that
yeah,
I
don't
always...
bring her into this. That's disgusting. It's about you. What do you want?
Her?
Well, then carpe diem, my friend. Oh, hello again, my little cannonball. Sorry, I didn't introduce myself earlier. Lucifer, morning star.
Seriously?
Yes. I'm the devil. Don't hold it against me.
Lucifer Morningstar. The guy who owns Lux?
That's me.
No, it's not. I've seen him before. His beats are sick.
I very much beg your pardon. Beats.
Yeah, he performed at a rap battle last week in the Valley.
Every single part of that sentence horrifies me.
It is so gross that you're pretending to be someone. Your accent is weak.
May case ka nito.
Don't mind if I do.
Medyo baloktot pala dito. Ayan, no? No? Medyo baloktot siya. Buti na lang hindi ng tuluyan. Try mo nga.